Hello, good morning, students. Welcome back to this day, Thursday. Yesterday, I had given you a summary of the lesson Roswell UFO incident. I think you all have taken down in your classwork notebook, have read it, and now you are ready to follow the teachings. Remember, I have not touched all little points or events in the text. Because when you write the summary, you just keep the mainstream of the text. If you go into details of little things, it wouldn't be a summary. So, we will now deal with the detailed events or points in the text. Okay. So, what I am going to talk today, you may not find the summary. Anyways, what summaries are as given? These are all missing. Yes, they are missing because they are not in the mainstream of the text. Okay. They are side bits, but you have to also learn them. Sometimes the question can be on the little points which are not in the mainstream. So let's proceed. Now, what is the little thing I want to say? The very first para, the text starts with a thunderstorm. Most of the lessons, they begin the text or the first para is something very peculiar, interesting, and which are familiar to us. And the sheep ranger, the shepherd in simple term, goes out for grazing, herding, and it's a very heavy thunder and lightning and raining. Okay. So the text starts with that picture, thundering. And amidst the thunder, what happens? There's an explosion. And just by reading the first para, you are a little confused. These are most of the comprehensive texts are confusing. If you just read one para, you will understand nothing. Okay, you have to understand read the whole text again and again. That's why in exam, don't hurry up answering. Some of you, I'm giving you very important points to do the exam well. When you have a written exam, don't just pick out words and write the answer. Unfortunately, some of the Bengali medium or many of the Bengali medium students, when they do English exam comprehension, they see the question and find the similar words in the comprehension text, just they copy them as answer. We are not in Bengali medium, we are in English medium and central board. So we should be able to understand the text clearly and answer to the point in your own words. That's what's more important. Otherwise, just mark the answer here and there and tell you this is the answer, this comparison is over. And you think comparison is very easy because you answer the questions like this now. Some of you also probably. And you think it's very easy comprehension. Just to pinpoint the similar words, the text, copy them. No, it's not like that. Even for me to understand such texts, I have to refer. Don't today we got a net, no? Refer anything you get. Lot of knowledge, you acquire knowledge. So now this class we are not concerned about directly the exam. acquiring knowledge. That's what I am interested. I would like to give you maximum knowledge possible based on the text. Okay. Now, the technique I am telling, you don't stop reading one para and answering one question. No. Read the paras, all of them together. Reread. Sit, reflect. Try to understand the main thrust. Because there are all general questions, no? General questions are there based on the whole text. Then how will you answer them? It's all of that. If you want to score more mark, you have to work hard like this. Okay, now this thunderstorm and explosion. What is this explosion? Is that falling of the flying saucer. And here you see how the author is giving importance to the explosion. Amidst the thunder and raining, the explosion was so audible. The shepherd boy could recognize from far that something wrong has gone. It's not simple natural thunder. It's all technique of writing. So it's good. Now, that's about thunderstorm and explosion of the flying saucer. Now, rode out to check sheep. William Ware McBrizzle. A long name. He rode out to check his sheep. What is this? Rode out. We know here grazing cows. I also use the word grazing many times. Shepherding is all Asian terms. Because we go behind these goats, cows, walking, grazing them, behind them always. As I explained to you yesterday, this cattle town, Corona, is here. Cattle industry area. When I again say industry, don't think small industries like on our roadsides. Not even small scale industries. They are proper in our roadsides. They are like cottage industries. When we say cattle industry means lakhs and lakhs of acres of land is kept there. You can't go walking, grazing here. Thousands and thousands of cattle are kept together. And that's why it's a sheep ranger, they say. They say forest ranger officer. The big forest is controlled by one officer, range officer, we all say. So, it goes to a big area, okay. So they go on horseback to look around these cattle. Say rode out, okay, to check the sheep. Now, area strewn with debris, spread to debris, broken pieces. Okay. Now, Hollis Wilson is the uncle of Mac, who tells there is a flying saucer around, so it must be that going in from the office. This is the 3 para talking in the lesson. Hope you understand. Thank you. Bye.